So as I mentioned, there are like some set of problems in inverse trigonometric functions. The only thing is that just now I've said you can just follow that there are two ways in simplifying. The only work which you are doing in inverse trigonometry is you are just converting the complex into what? Simple one. So I'm telling you like complex in the sense it is not about the appearance. It is not about the appearance. The sine inverse of 2x divided by 1 plus x square on Lakshana, don't think that it is a very complex one. It's a very simple one. Adela. So the complexity or size doesn't matter, how big the problem looks, that doesn't matter. So what matters is, can I simplify this by any of the ways? That matters actually. So now you can do this in two ways. Ignore it. See, there are like, if you are good at the subject, meaning clarity to substitutions and you know how to take up the problem, it's not a big deal. आराम से ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. But when you are not well prepared, like when you are like ಒಂಥರ ಅಂಗಿ ಪಂಗಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊ, like you are not good at substitutions, ನೀನು ನೆನಪಿರುತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ I'll tell you a simple way to remember. ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, whenever like you find these expressions, something like this, 2x by 1 minus x square, 2x by 1 plus x square, 1 minus x square by 1. See, what is important ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ at least you try to remember this divided by. At least ಅದಾದ್ರೂ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಲ್ಲ, divided by. ಹೌದಿಲ್ಲ? So 2x by something like 3x minus x cube divided by 1 minus 3x square. Getting? So ಈ ತರ expressions ಏನಾದರೂ ಕಾಣಿಸಿದ್ರೆ something heavy, which is heavy looking, ಹೌದಿಲ್ಲ? So substitution will be tan. ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡು. So whether it is sine, cos, no more confusion when you put x is equals to what? Tan theta. See, substitution ಅನ್ನೋದು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. The blunder mistake what you people commit is you put x is equal to tan x. How can you substitute tan x in the place of x? When you are substituting it, you should replace avadila. So for these expressions, what is the substitution? Tan theta. Another heavy, something like this. Ready? So ignore it. And one more like mistake what you people commit is, suppose you got tan inverse of 3x minus x cube divided by 1 minus 3x square ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So ಒಂದು ಏನಪ್ಪ ರಫ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿನಿ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೀಗ, ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಹೆವಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ಸ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? tan theta. Actually like when you are like not good, when you are confused, you can just think of it. ಈ ತರ ನೀವು think ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Getting? So we can just substitute x is equal to what? Tan theta. So ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? ಬೇಗ now something heavy ಅನ್ಸೋದಿಲ್ಲ? 3x minus x cube by 1 minus 3x square. at least heavy ಅಂತ ಫೀಲ್ ಆಗ್ತದ ನಿಮಗೆ? ಏನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? x is equals to ಏನು? tan theta. that is the first hint. ಇಲ್ಲಿ tan inverse ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇಟ್ ಬಿ ಇನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ tan. ಸರ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, tan inverse of 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta divided by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. like ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ x ಕಾಣ್ತಿದಲ್ಲ tan theta ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿನಿ. what is next? very simple. what do you have like in function is that tan inverse. definitely formula will be in terms of what? tan inverse ಅಲ್ಲ, tan. ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ, ಯಾವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಿಲ್ಲ? now ಇಲ್ಲಿ tan inverse ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ the formula is in terms of what? tan. ಇನ್ನ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಸರ್ ನನಗೆ, ಇನ್ನ tan 2 theta ನಾ tan 3 theta ನಾ, ಇನ್ನ ತಲೆ ಕೆಡಿಸ್ಕೋಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪವರ್ 3 ಇದ್ರೆ 3 theta, 2 ಇದ್ರೆ 2 theta ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪವರ್ ಏನದ? 3. so what will be the formula? tan inverse of tan 3 theta. that's it. ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಆಲೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡೋ ಒಂದು ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಲೈಕ್ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಆವರೇಜ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ತರ ಲೈಕ್ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪವರ್ 3 ಇದೆ 3 theta. ಸಿ ನಾನು ಗಿವನ್ ಸೋ ಮೆನಿ ಇಲಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಅಟ್ ಅ ನ್ಯೂ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಹೋಮ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ಸ್ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಸೊ ನ್ಯೂ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್, ಹೊಸ ವಾತಾವರಣ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಸೀಮ್ಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು. Even like writing 2 3s or 6 is also difficult examination ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೌದಿಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, tan inverse of 2x divided by 1 minus x square, something like heavy divided by, what is the substitution? Tan theta ಹೌದಿಲ್ಲ. So tan inverse of 2 tan theta divided by what? 1 minus tan square theta. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ tan inverse ಅಂದ್ರೆ definitely formula must be in terms of what? Tan ಹೌದಿಲ್ಲ. So now ಈಗ tan inverse of, definitely it must be in terms of tan, highest degree ಏನದ 2 theta. at least ಇದನ್ನ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋರಿ, ಈಸಿ ಅಲ್ಲ. what is tan inverse of tan 2 theta? 2 theta. tan inverse of tan 2 theta is what? 2 theta. Like you people will cancel, you should not cancel it. Inverse ಅದು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ. ಹೆಂಗಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಕ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. sin inverse of sin theta ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ, ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ sin x is equal to sin theta ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಅವಾಗ sin x sin theta ಯಾವಾಗ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಇವೆರಡು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆದಾಗ, ಈ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಆದಾಗ ಇದು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. therefore finally what you can write, x is equals to what? theta. so ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ sin inverse of sin theta ಏನು theta ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀವಿ. the same way tan inverse of tan 2 theta 2 theta. so 2 is 2 into, so what is the substitution you have made? x is equal to what? tan theta. theta is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? tan inverse of x. theta is equal to tan inverse of x. you just write this. ಅಲ್ಲ basically simple ಇದೆ. this I don't say that this is difficult one or you need some method to understand ಅನ್ನೋದೇನಿಲ್ಲ. quite simple, this is very simple one. ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬರೀತೀನಿ, sin inverse of 2x divided by 1 plus x square, something like heavy, what is the substitution one? tan theta. tan theta sin inverse of 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ sin inverse, formula will be in terms of what? sin inverse of sin, highest degree ಏನದ 2, sin 2 theta. sin inverse of sin 2 theta is 2 theta. what is theta? tan inverse x. ಮುಗಿದೋಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, simple way to remember. ಅರ್ಥಾಗ್ತದೆ. okay, next, this is like one set of category. ಇದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು set of category ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. if you find expressions such as root of 1 minus x square, root of 1 plus x square, so like these are the expressions yellow on kade, it is not like inverse trigonometry alle bartavantalla, maybe differentiation al barbodu, integration. see wherever you find these expressions, okay. and before this when you find something like this one, cosine 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 cosine, maybe cosine cosine antala, a cos x, b sin x, b cos x, something. don't worry like ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನರ ಇದನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲ ತಲೆ ಕೆಡಿಸ್ಕೋಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿ ಇಯರ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಈ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ 1 ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ನಾವು. ದಿಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ದಿಸ್ 1. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಫರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನಿಂಗ್ ಅಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಗ್ತದೆ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಲೆ ಕೆಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬಾರ್ದು ನೀವು. ಓಕೆ, ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ cos x plus sin x divided by cos x minus sin x, ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾನು what I've said? cosine cosine, ಇದು ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೋರಿ. what I've said? cosine 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 cosine. you make this part equal to 1. how to make this part equal to 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ divide by that same. cos x ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು 1 ಕಾಣಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನೀ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ? what you do? divide by cos. ಈಗ a cos x ಇತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ? divide by a cos x. simple way. now I have to make this one. how to make this one man? divide by cos. ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಹೌದಿಲ್ಲ? ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್. cos by cos is 1, sin by cos is tan, cos by cos 1, sin by cos tan. at least next step tan of a plus b ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರ್ತದ, ಇದು ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ. ನಾನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ when I take up the problems I'll explain the things. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ a cos x minus b sin x ಅಥವಾ like b cos x plus a sin x ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. we need to make this part 1, ಹೌದಿಲ್ಲ? ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು ಈಗ? divide by b cos x, ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? a cos x by what? b cos x, b sin x divided by what? like if you are confused, step by step ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ರಿ, ಏನು ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. b cos x divided by b cos x by b cos x 1. A sin x divided by what? B cos x. And these get cancels. What is this? A by b sin by cos tan, and a by b sin by cos tan. Next remember that's a different story. Then idu ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 50% game is over ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. Next, it's very easy to remember. ಇದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ? Okay. This is an important thing you need to remember. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಕೇಳಿ. Very important man. Something like this. You know, what is it? Stars. I could see a circle, not zero, circle. Okay. These are expressions. I'm sorry. These are expressions can't be recorded. The formula will be tan inverse of this. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಅದರ್ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು minus tan inverse of this. ಮುಗಿತು. What is this tan inverse of this? Is something like star, and this is the circle, and this one is ಹಿಂಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. Now what is this tan inverse of this one plus tan inverse of this one? ಮುಗಿದೈತು. Okay. Now like we'll answer this one. Nodri. In my previous problem you got something tan inverse of 1 minus tan x divided by 1 plus tan x. Forget about like what is there in the denominator. At least idu nodkori tan inverse of this avadilla minus tan inverse of this. Simple alla. Tan inverse of 1 pi by 4 idu ondadana ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋರಿ. At least tan 45 ಎಷ್ಟು 1. ಇಲ್ಲ tan inverse of 1 ಕಾಂತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ pi by 4 ಬರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ್ತದಿಲ್ಲ. What is tan inverse of 1? Pi by 4. What is tan inverse of tan x? X. Tan inverse of tan x is what? X. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ hope you will answer this. Plus b sin x, and this is b, and this is cos x, this is minus a. What is the first like? Please fill up with you. अरे यार
divided by b cos x.
Divide by what?
b cos x.
You should make this part 1. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಇರಲಿ. Like ನಾನು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, just feel that. Okay, don't buy up the things, you have to feel. That's very important. Only when you feel you'll understand. Otherwise it becomes a flirting. It becomes flirting. Don't flirt the problems, man. In flirt model, even the same problem will do that. You should feel. You should give out your pure. Now, what you have to do, man? So, what is that rough idea? Cos sine. You have to make this part 1. You have to make this part 1. So, e part 1 agbekantanದ್ರೆ what have to do? Divide by the same. What is same by same? 1. Adila. Same get cancels 1. Something like that. Now, a cos x by, say, ನಾನು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ step by step ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. Do not make like b sin x divided by what? b cos x, and this becomes 1. That's important. Minus a sin x divided by what? b cos x, and this part cancels. What is this? a by b. What is this? Tan x. What is this? Tan x. And just now I said something. Tan inverse of this star minus this circle. Something. Don't worry about this part, man. What I have to write? Tan inverse of this one minus tan inverse of this one. Don't put too much maths. You will not understand. Tan inverse of this plus tan inverse of this. Don't read the denominator part. And the tan inverse of a by b. Illela simple plus tan inverse of tan x. What is this? You can't do anything. A by b. Not like I don't have a proper value. What is the value of like tan inverse of a by b? It's not a proper value. And you worry. What is tan inverse of tan x?
Yes.
Done. Done. That's it. Okay. Stop.